I hope you are already subscribed to the channel, but if you are not, just click on the subscribe button. It's absolutely free and you'll be subscribed and you'll get updates for my channel. Hey guys, so before we kickstart into the video, let me just say that there is a giveaway going on my channel, and this is because my laptop is gone for repair, so there was no upload for a week and I'm very sorry. So do take part in this giveaway. This is until 22nd of July. All the rules are mentioned in the description box, so follow those rules and enter to win, and all the very best to all of you. So there's the Big Ben and this is the Parliament, and we're walking on this bridge. The traffic is going on and it's insanely beautiful, the country. I mean UK and London as in city. And here's the Big Eye, London Eye. I'm very confused with this Big Ben and the London Eye. I keep saying Big Eye and the London Ben, but this looks very beautiful. Parliament, the castle look Parliament. Yes, it's amazing. I really feel like touching the top of it. And this is the buses. The buses are really, like old school. They're really nice. They give you a feel of historic touch.
Don't cut me.
He's so tall.
The being tall was good.
Yeah. So this is the Parliament, and the art and work that is being done is commendable.
There is no art, it's only work.
No art?
Yeah.
How can you say that?
Where is art?
अरे ये तो छोटे-छोटे कारीगरी करी गई है. आर्ट ही तो हुआ फिर वो. ये देखो इधर
छोटी है, इससे छोटी तो ताजमहल में है.
Oh, we'll appreciate Taj Mahal when we'll go there.
Oh, you are saying that we have not gone there.
Yes. Oh
there
my
comes
God.
the
Just
point
listen
time.
it, guys. That, and let me just turn around.
Let's not bring
Listen it,
household
guys.
things on the
We
internet.
have not even been to Taj Mahal. And
Where am I in this picture? Yes.
there you are.
You have
And
not
this
been to
man
Taj
is
Mahal
gonna
because,
take me to Taj Mahal
because
very soon.
every time everyone wants to have some marriages. Wants to have some marriages. And every marriage is important.
Okay.
Taj Mahal
Okay.
visit is not.
We are very tired and it's very sunny now. So the sun has started to, just get into the skin, and we were tired, so we are just laying around in this beautiful park here. And here is that view of the Parliament. So yes. So after like 15-20 minutes, we are going to get some finger food finally, because we haven't found yet. And then we were also thinking Actually, not fever. We are actually thinking of going London a little bit during the night time, so that we can look around few places, and there are some shows, basically theatrical shows, which are there like London Dungeon and then others Shrek. So we are not very sure if we are gonna watch them or not, but we are very much thinking of. So let's see. We had already been a wonderful one. Beautiful sunny day. It started with a beautiful, brunch, and we went across down the lane in London, looking at the castle world and everything. So it was very very fascinating. Yes, the palace is quite exciting and it's lovely, but what I feel is that it still needs a little bit of paint and just to have its charm all the way. But the vibe is really, really nice. Everybody around, around the palace is so happy, just taking pictures and clicking, themselves around. So it's very, very nice. And my camera battery had died, so I'm just vlogging this with iPhone. So I'm not sure how good the quality would be, but I would like to just say bye bye to this vlog of day 1, and I'll take you to shopping for day 2 vlogging. And I have covered almost like few attractions nearby central London for today, and few things are left, so I'll also take you along with me over there. So tomorrow we are going for shopping most probably, and if possible I might shoot bits and pieces of dinner table and our way back to hotel. But as of now I'm very tired also, but equally excited for tomorrow. And don't forget to share and subscribe this video, and keep watching Deepika Kheri's kitchen for more London vlogs. And I'm sure you're there on Instagram, so do follow me on Instagram, so that whatever I share you get to know about that. And stay tuned, I'll catch you tomorrow. Bye. These are some pictures that we have taken around, and these all are for you. And I have also given a little bit of piece for my next London vlog. So this is this. So guys, stay tuned and I will see you in my next video. My next video would probably a food blog, or basically a food video, because so many of you are requesting me for that, and definitely I'll upload, and the next one would be London vlog. So stay tuned. Bye.